we're finally back on the Sierras. Welcome back to another video, everyone. We're back on the Sierras today, which I know some people have been waiting on. It's been a long time coming. There's a lot of stuff that's got in the way. We're just waiting on Paul getting back. He's had to nip out, so while we're waiting for that, I'll give you a quick rundown of where we're up to. So you may or may not be able to tell from previous videos, we're in a different space now. We had to move out of that original lockup. It was getting flattened for some new builds. So there's some stuff being put back on this car. Like we've had to put the doors temporarily back on to help us move it and help us store some stuff during the move. Paul's been up earlier on this week. He's had the car up, dropped the fuel tank out of it. So the first job for me today is to get the 4 doors taken back off and put up on the racking, along with all this interior bits. Since the last video we made, we've not really done much. We had a play the other night and we managed to get the windscreen removed without damaging it. So that's sat up there now. So that's a spare windscreen we've got for it. This Sierra here, that's one of the ones that we're using some of the parts off this one for, to try and get this one back on the road. This is Paul's baby, this one. He's got a lot to go on with this one. But I think the first plan is for the other black one that he's got. That's what we're going to be restoring first. But the first job is we have to get this one tore down, completely stripped down, and all the parts off it. Welcome back to day 2 on the video, everyone. We're going to just carry on where we left off the other night, basically trying to get this front end stripped down and see where we get to. Sorry it's been a bit long-winded trying to get it pulled apart, but it's the nature of the game, I suppose. We've managed to get the outer wings off, the slam panel and the cross member. Sorry it's a bit boring, but there's not a lot you can do when you're just drilling off spot welds. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing, you can share, you can leave us a comment down below, leave us a like and make sure you're subscribed. We'll probably do some more videos in the future, but at the minute we're just doing basically the same again, which is more drilling of spot welds and a little bit of grinding here and there. So maybe the next time we get around to doing something major, then we'll start filming again, but for now we don't want to bore you to death. So thanks for watching and we'll see you all soon.